So first open Google Sheets, then Google Drive, and then on another tab open glideapps.com. After opening it, wait for a while, then log in or sign up. Since I have already signed it up, I just logged it in. If you haven't signed up yet, so just sign up with your email ID. Then I've made an app called Book Card earlier, so let me just show it to you. So this is the app. uh, it's a book selling app where people can come and buy books. So here are different books. Here is a chat tab, here a gift coupon tab, and here is a query tab. So you can mark the book as favorite. There are lots of filters. You can add also books over here with their details. You can add the photo of the book. You can add your address from where the book should be picked up. That's it. So now let's create an app. So we'll be using a Google Sheet for that. So you can also use a template, but for this one I'll be using a Google Sheet. So I already made a Google Sheet. So I chose the Google Sheet Institute 000, and here is the mobile layout that's being showed right now. Okay, so this is the Google Sheet. Let me do some changes. I'll write over here doctors. Okay. So in the first tab I'll write as name of doctors. In the second one I'll write what specifications, what specializations they are doing, their address, contact details and all. So yeah, and now we'll be requiring some pictures. So we'll find some pictures of doctors. So we need to create a folder in Google Drive. I name it as Glide Apps for my use, and then we need to. So I tried something, just dragging it and putting, but it didn't work. So we need to save the images and then put them on Drive. So here the images are getting saved. Okay, so we created a folder and here we mentioned it as Glide, and here we will put all the images that we'll be needing. So we'll save another image and another image. For now we'll go with 3 images. Let's proceed. So we have saved the second image as well. Yeah, so we have saved the 3 images. Now we can drag and drop to our Google Drive. So yeah, now we just need them to change it from restricted to anyone with the link, and we need to get the shareable link and paste it in Google Sheets. So I got those links and I pasted them in Google Sheets, all the 3 links. Now we'll just put some doctor's name, Doctor 1, 2, 3, and some specialization. So jazz specialist, ENT, and okay, eye specialist. And we'll put the address. This is the address which will be shown on the map as well on the app. We'll put the contact details, fill in the contact number, and the email address also. By tapping on these things on the icons, people can just go to their email ID and mail them, or can also dial their number by tapping the call icon. Let me just align them so that it looks a bit nicer. Now we'll move back to Glide. We'll just refresh it out. Okay, refreshing. Let's wait. Yep. So select the style you want. So I like the tiles one, so I'll choose it. Tiles per row will be 1 for me, and I will be using 2 to 3 is a bit longer. Yep, this one looks fine. 3 is 4. So yeah, I'm clicking on the doctor's image I got over here. So I need to add an image, so I will do search image, and over here we'll put it up. And yep, I'll put this down. I don't need this one. Okay, I don't need that image address. So now I want the map. For the map, I got over here. And it has been applied to all the doctors, doctor 1, 2 and 3. So we are good to go with it. So the only problem is that we don't have an icon for call and email, so we'll be adding that. First we'll be getting the call icon and we'll be addressing it to the contact tab, and another is the email one, so we'll be adding the email one. We don't need this action text for call and email. We'll be removing them and we'll be adding the email one. This is great. Yep. So search for email. Yep. We got the email and we'll be adding the email tab in it. And yep, we got it. We have to just bring it up. Yeah, we can just drag it up by pulling it up. And yep, it looks good. Okay. I got some mistake in the email ID. I put a comma instead of a dot. Okay. Yep, it looks good. So you can design it as you wish. We just mention this page name as doctors. And now search for calendly.com. This will be used for the booking and appointment part. So this is an amazing website that I discovered. So we'll be using the Calendly link. So for that we'll be mentioning a button column. And if you haven't opened a Calendly account, just sign it up. It's very easy. If you don't know, I will be making a separate video for that as well. Comment down below if you don't know how to, if you are facing any problem. Now I am facing problem to copy this link. Oh my god. Okay. So yeah, we'll be copying the link from here. And we'll be pasting it out over here. Let me just delete the last part. Yeah. Okay. And we'll be doing it for the remaining two as well. The same link for the Doctor 2 and 3 as well. So yep, we did it for the buttons one. Okay, it got 2002 and this one 2003. Okay, we'll rectify it. Yep, and now it looks good. So now we have to add a button. So just search for a button and we'll get it. Okay, we got that button over here. Just need to bring it up a bit. Yep, we got it over here. Yep. So the button looks, yep, it's good. We need to put the Kolkata address down. So the button, we need to just change the placeholder text. This placeholder text is, we will be changing it to book an appointment. Yep, I guess book an appointment looks good. Okay, so we can change to different styles we want, but I like this one for now. We can also change what it will be doing. So yeah, we have successfully added the button for booking an appointment. So here are the different options that you can activate, but now I'm good with opening a link. Yep, we'll move back, and yep, all the pictures of the doctors are also coming perfectly. It's working good. So this is the app link. This is a QR code. So by clicking on this link, anyone can get into your app. They can visit it. So all the settings are here. So publishing your app is as easy as one click. You can put your app name over here. So I put it as doctor appointment. Yep, it looks good. You can also, I just copied it. You can also add your phone number over here so that the app link gets into your phone message. So I just had it. Yep, it's being sent. Yep, it came into my phone as well. So your app is now published successfully. So here is the different themes that you can choose. I like this theme. You can change the colors as well. For right now I am keeping it as green. Okay, so these are the themes. You can choose anything. You can change the text. Here's the app info. You can change the app name. I'll change it to doctor's appointment. So I'll get my author name to be my name. Here are the privacy. You can use a sign in. This is used for sign in. I've used public with email and allow sign in with Google account as well. Sharing. You can either share it. This is the sign in screen. You can change the welcome word to whatever you like. Okay, I'll change it to hello. Okay, so I will change it to book an appointment. Yep. And you can change the text alignment. Here are the templates. You can submit your template so that other people can use it as well. There's the Zapier key. Yeah, you can preview it as an iOS user or an Android user. You can use it both. So we'll be now moving into our phone and let's see how the app works. So we'll be signing in by clicking on the app link. Yep, now we'll be adding it to our home screen. So let's just click add. And let's wait for some time. Let's just visit the app. Yep, it's getting installed. It's getting scanned right now. And we're ready to open it. Yep. You can change this logo as well in the Glide app. So we are getting signed in right now. And yes, this is on our phone. Yep. Here are all the details. We can click the call icon and get directly to the call. Just cut it. Sorry. So here is the email. We'll click on the email and we'll be directly getting to the mailbox. Okay, so now let's check the book an appointment part. Yep, we get to the 15 minutes meeting. Here we can select the date. Let me choose. Yep, time as well. I can choose the 10:15 and I'll be confirming. I'll be putting my details, name and email ID, and I'll click the schedule and event. After I'll write over here. Okay, wait. I'll write check out and I will schedule it. So after this, an email has arrived into my mailbox with the Zoom interview link, and it has been also sent to the doctor's email as well, so that both gets informed. Now check the map as well. So this is the map of Kolkata, since I've given it as Kolkata. And yes, that's how the app looks. I hope you like the app. So if you did like the video, do like it, share it, subscribe it, and use it. Thank you.